All right, ladies, it's time to organize my nail storage. Yeah, this was a mess. I mean, really, it's been, and I kept telling myself, I'm going to do it tomorrow. I'm going to do it tomorrow. Well, today I'm doing it. I'm going to get rid of everything I don't need. All of these extra nails, I'm going to bag them all up, give them to my girlfriend. I'm donating. So everything that I don't need, surplus, extra, I'm blessing other people with. So my girlfriend has a little daughter and she said, girl, she would love that stuff. So I'm going to make sure I give it to her, cleaning out everything that's going to hold everything. So anything that I'm going to store or use has to be clean. So the very first thing I'm going to do is organize with my glue, my nail glue, put all those together. Those are my nail tip glues where you can just put it directly on the back of the nail straight to your nail bed. Now, I love press on. I do have acrylic. These are all my acrylic dust and my nail dip nails and all of that. These are my fingernail polish. I was only left with 3. Everything else I threw in the garbage. This is my cuticle oil. It fit in this sunglass case. I'm using that. This is for my French tip designs. So whenever I want to do my own designs, and this goodie bag is going to my girlfriend's daughter. She said, girl, she would love all that stuff. You give it something to do and leave me alone. Now, these are our La Host Lady Fingers Glam Nails. Yes, in my mind, I keep telling myself, I'm going to do it. I'm going to wear these. But you know what? I probably won't wear them all together. I'll wear one at a time to kind of accent. Now that I've bagged up everything, I got everything properly where it's supposed to be. Now I'm going to just put everything systematically away. So when I go in here, I know where everything is. So this little bin or this little case is going to hold all of my press-on nails or my acrylic nail tips that I want to use whenever I want to do acrylic. Don't do it too often because it takes so long. I love press-on. Those are my ticky toes. I do press on nails and press on toes. I have a very busy life. I don't have time to sit in the nail. So this is what I do. I love it. Now, this little circular box, I love. My UV light fits in there perfect. These are all my electronics, my file, my drill bits. Everything fits right in here. So I love that. I'm going to put that away. It fits perfectly. Now, all my file and all of my clippers and put all that together, my rhinestones. I love organization. That is my liquid acrylic, and that is my leftover. Like I said, I only got 3 polishes left. I got to start over. That's my cotton balls and my design. And you know what? I'm done. Now, this video, y'all, I just remember I needed to put away my remover, but I'm going to bag it up so it don't drip anywhere. Now, in this video took me 3 minutes. This took me literally 6 hours to do. Can you believe that? But I got it done. All right, organize the life and be a blessing. Give. Whatever you don't need, give to be a blessing.
Sometimes can be hard, but with faith, all things are possible. With love, it can conquer all. With hope, you are unstoppable. Let hate give you faith to keep going. Let it help you. Life sometimes can be hard, but with faith, all things are possible.